Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on CapCut. So let's continue into CapCut and then tap on new project and input a video to your timeline. Tap on add and then first you want to go ahead and select the clip and make sure that you are the beginning of the clip. And then next to you want to tap on the keyframe here at the top, and then you want to move the timeline to left and decide where you want to stop the zoom in effect. So for example, this one is here, and now using your finger and zoom in like this, and then that will add a new frame on the timeline. So now the zoom is effect has been applied to the clip, and you can see the clip is being zoomed in. After reaching that point, it will stay zoomed in. So that's how you can zoom in on CapCut. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.